I don't know whether or not this has been said before, but somebody's got to say it. I hate fake affiliate marketing videos, right? I absolutely hate fake digital marketing related videos, all the online entrepreneurship type videos and all this stuff that are fake. And what am I referring to? For example, like, ClickBank, for example, that is one affiliate marketing platform that has just been beaten to death with fake videos, right? What exactly am I referring to here? I'm talking about videos where people will put, and I guess it's just to get clicks and watch time on YouTube, stuff that benefits them and doesn't necessarily benefit the viewer at all, because there's really no substance in what they're saying. But I'm talking about these videos where you'll see somebody say how to make $10,000 per month on ClickBank, or how to make $1,000 in 24 hours on ClickBank, right? All these type of like useless in my eyes, useless type videos, clickbaity videos that just get people to click and watch and not gain anything from them, right? Those are the videos I'm talking about. And these are videos that for example, like an example of a video that'll tell you how to make $10,000 on ClickBank, and you go to the video and they're just showing you generic stuff that you probably already know, and they've never done it themselves before. Okay, that's the part that really gets to me, right? I really wish there were a way to clean up YouTube of all these type of videos, but it is what works, right? It is what works apparently, but it only benefits the creator. It doesn't benefit the viewer that's trying to learn this stuff. Now, this is where on this channel I'm going to be trying to make a difference, right? Where if I am, and this is not like a novel concept, right? This is not to say I'm the only one who would be doing this. I'm sure there are very few people who do this, and they are in the minority, okay? People who show you how to do stuff or tell you how to do stuff on, let's just say ClickBank, for example. And I use ClickBank as an example because it is probably the most popular, or one of the most popular affiliate networks for beginners getting started, right? So if they do a video like how to make $5,000 on ClickBank, or how to make $1,000 on Amazon, let it be a video in which they've actually done that, and they show you step by step exactly what they did in a way that you, the viewer, can actually learn, benefit from it, and actually go implement and hopefully get similar results, okay? That's the stuff I'm talking about. Now, if you join me for the first time, my name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M, a place where I decided to document my attempted journey to financial independence, starting from scratch, whereby all we're doing is trying to get to that point where we generate enough in passive income to cover our living expenses, okay? Now, if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Helps to get it out there to more people that could benefit from this information. All right, so I remember when I was just getting started, and before I even get to when I just got started, why am I even talking about the affiliate marketing aspect of things? Well, because affiliate marketing is one of the things that is going to be the main drivers on my journey here that I'm looking to document in terms of getting to financial independence. I'm going to be relying heavily on that, okay? So, and everything that I do in relation to affiliate marketing, I'm going to be showing here on my channel, okay? Right? Once I start getting to all the different campaigns and all the different things that I'm trying to do, right? I hope to do and show it in a way that people watching can actually benefit, and actually go implement what I'm talking about, right? When I just got started, and searching through YouTube trying to learn stuff, I can't even like it how annoying it is, or at least how annoying it was for me. And I'm sure if I feel this way, I know I can't be the only one. I'm sure there are many others that feel the same way. how annoying it was for me to go to a lot of these videos, right, by especially, you know, big quote unquote gurus with lots of followers and all that. And I mean, when you watch the videos, you kind of understand how, you know, I guess is the difference between people who watch YouTube just to be entertained versus people who watch YouTube to actually learn and implement what they learn, right? And you know, it's a lot of times you'll see these videos, people will say like how to make X number of dollars on ClickBank, and then they show you all these different methods, 1,000 different methods every single day, something different. And clearly, you know, they're not implementing these things that they're talking about. All right, it's just all theory. And what typically happens, and I know this because I see it in the comments. People will go and they'll comment and they'll say, you know, all the stuff that the creator might have been posting about or you know or showing is crap because they've tried all the methods and none of them actually work. Right? You know, this is viewers complaining, right? And it would be completely different if the creator showing whatever it is they're showing could actually show themselves or show proof that they actually applied those methods, okay? Or at least let us know that they applied those methods to get the results that they got. You know, another common thing you'll see if you're not aware, and if you're a newbie, I'm just giving you forewarning, you'll see somebody post a screenshot of results that they've got, right? And then they'll give you a method telling you that, you know, you should listen to them because they know what they're talking about. Whereas the method that they're teaching you is not the method that they used to generate the results that they were showing you on screen. Okay, that's another one that is extremely frustrating. So that's like the next level, right? Let's say level 1 of fake affiliate marketing videos, the ones that are just blatantly fake. Those are the ones, let's say like the extreme amateur fake ones, right? Those are the ones who will tell you how to make, you know, $10,000 in 5 hours or whatever, right? And but then they don't show any proof of it. They don't, and they give you a method or they give you so many different methods, keep constantly changing, that you know they did not implement themselves to get those results, right? So they didn't even show any results to begin with. So that's level 1. Then level 2 would be the ones, okay, now these ones have actually made money, right? They've actually made money and they're leveraging the fact that they've made money to trick you or make you believe that this other method that they're showing you just to gain watch time, right? Watch time, watch hours, make you believe that what they're talking about is actually legit, okay? They'll show you these fake, they'll show you real results, but the method that they're teaching you in that video is not what they used to obtain the results that they showed you, okay? So that's the second level of fake, you know, fake affiliate marketing videos or fake digital marketing videos. Like, nobody is transparent anymore. So one of the things that I'm looking to do, at least hoping to do differently on this channel, when I do start creating those type videos, I'll be documenting. It will be more like documentation style, okay? So I'll show you, you know, I'll tell you what I'm doing, right? What I'm attempting to do, right? And if the results are bad, I'll tell you that the results were bad. Like, whatever I did, if it didn't work, I'll show you that it didn't work. Anything that did work, I'll show you that it did work, okay? So it's gonna be, if you're looking for something real, if you're looking for real results or lack thereof, but at least real effort and real, you know, showing what's actually being done behind the scenes, then this is your place, okay? Go ahead and subscribe because I will have some really interesting stuff coming up, okay? Nothing is, you know, nothing is guaranteed because this, like I said, this is a journey that I'm taking on, right? This is a journey that I'm taking on to attain financial independence, with affiliate marketing being the main driver, and then of course other different sources of income that, again, I'll be sharing everything going. But if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please go ahead and subscribe And if you have any questions, suggestions of things that I could do and all that, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to respond. I'll let you know when I intend to do this stuff, or if I can do whatever it is that you're asking me to do, right? So let me know, all right? Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao.